Hello, my gorgeous ones. Welcome back to Alicia Budget Beauty. My name is Alicia, and I love all things just affordable fashion and beauty. I love nice things. I love things that I get for a good price. So that is what my channel is all about. And I thank you so much for being here. If you are new and if you're returning, thank you so much as well. So today I'm just going to tell you what we're doing because I'm really excited. Not that you couldn't tell by the thumbnail or title, but I am going to be unboxing the ODEN'S Eye mystery boxes. So I have not seen what are in these. I will be seeing it with you guys as well. But ODEN'S Eye is a Swedish brand, and I did already have products from them before, and I really love the quality. I have them on my eyes today, actually. So I'm really excited to dig into this, to see what I got. I want to let you guys know if it's worth it the next time around. So if you'd like to see what I got in my boxes, then stick around and let's do it. So, like I said, I have tried ODEN'S Eye before. I really do enjoy the quality. I've been wearing it a lot lately, actually. So I've been using more of like the orangey tones that they have because there's a lot of orange, warm, leaning colors to some of their earlier palettes. But today I did use the Giant Wolves palette, and you guys, these were the collaborator palettes. There were 3 of them. I have all 3. They are no longer available, but this is what the color story looks like, and it's beautiful, and that is what I have on my eyes today. I just wanted to show you, because I'm not going to be able to apply what I'm getting out today out of the boxes, but the formula is so interesting with ODEN'S Eye. It's like the shimmers take on a whole different life. I used this one today, and that is what is on my eyes, and in the pan it looks like it's going to be this like teal aqua, and then you shift it and it looks like maybe like pinkish, but it actually shows up like in some lights it's green, some lights it's pink, some light it's like a more of like a gold. There's no blue really to be found, so it's very unique and their formula is really fun. So I was excited to try their mystery boxes. I have nothing but palettes from them. I do have 5 palettes, so I've never tried lipsticks, none of the other stuff. So this is the smaller value box out of the 2. I can't remember how much exactly I paid because I did have a discount code, and I want to say this one was supposed to be 40 or 45, and this one was either 75 or 80, I believe, but total after using a discount code, I think I paid around 100, 110 with, I think shipping was free because it was the right amount. So, and it did take about, I think 2 weeks to get to me from the day that I ordered, maybe slightly less. So that's really good coming from Sweden. They did a good job about getting them out. So we're gonna unbox the smaller box and see what I got. So I have a friend on Instagram, and she is a little noisy. Okay, she is the one that was kind of really like pushing me, like, we need to get the boxes, and she had gotten them before and really enjoyed them. So she's actually, I've probably already told her by now when you guys see this, but she wanted to see if I got a highlighter that she wanted so we could maybe trade. So Brandy, if you're watching, I hope that I got it. Okay, so first up we have the Verdani mini eyeshadow palette. I'm excited because I do not own this. Very pretty. That's gorgeous. So we have 3 shimmers in here. Actually, this one is one of those like matte shimmers. They have all different types of formulas, ODEN'S Eye does. So that looks gorgeous. This middle one is a stunner. So that's first item. Next up, we have, I'll just show you another palette here. I'm gonna probably have to come back on after I open some of these things so you don't have to hear all the crinkling. We'll see. Okay, this is the Alva eyeshadow palette. It is a larger palette than the last one. Oh my gosh, this one is super pretty. Okay, here's what she looks like. We have warm and cool tones in here. These like shimmery shades are gorgeous looking. Like, I just want to see. And let's do, okay, here's what we're working with. Wow. Okay, those are really pretty. So already 2 palettes is going to be over the amount that the whole box costs. Next up, I think this is probably a brush cleaner, I believe, because I think I've seen people get this from their past mystery boxes. Let's see. Or maybe it's just an empty no, yeah, it's a brush cleaner. That's cute. Here's what it looks like. Not exactly like my favorite item. I've used these type before, like from the dollar store, and they work okay, not fantastic. So that's an okay. I don't mind that it's in there because the value's already there with those 2 palettes, but I could have done without that one probably. Next up, we have, this is a lip product. This is the cream lipstick in Love Jasmine. And like I said before, I've never tried their lipstick formula. Ooh, packaging is gorgeous. Very like weighted. It's a pale pink with that like gold. And then here is the shade. That's absolutely stunning. Okay, that is a deep orangey brown and would actually pair perfectly with that first palette that had that like, let me just show you. So this first palette, these shades here would be perfect with this lipstick. So that was a smart pairing on their part. And then next up, we have another cream lipstick in Brown Rose. I'm probably gonna like, just by the name, I really love browns. I love all tones of browns. If it's rosy, if it's cool or warm, I'm just loving them lately. Okay, so again, that's what that looks like. And these look so similar, right? Hold on. Okay, Brown Rose. Okay, no, they're different. They're different, okay. Different but similar. So same family, not twins, maybe not even, maybe sisters, but probably cousins. So yeah, those are really, really pretty. Let's just, ooh, they're not kidding when they say creamy. That is very, I don't like that word, by the way, but sometimes it's the best way. Sometimes it's necessary. You have to say it, even though I kind of like die inside every time I say it. Okay, so that was the first box. And I think, I mean, I could have done without that makeup brush cleaner, but the 2 palettes are beautiful. I didn't already own them. And then the 2 lipsticks are shades that I would totally wear. So that one was definitely a win. And now we're gonna move on to the larger box and see what I got in there. First item up out of the bigger box, we have the Mini Eyeshadow Palette. So here is what she looks like. A green, grungy green lover's dream. Actually, on my eyes today, I kind of have like a similar look going on, which means this would probably pair really nicely with the Great Wolves palette. So that is really pretty. I just want to see what this looks like. Deep grungy green, really pretty. And then let's do, ooh, I see, that's pretty. Okay, so first one, palette. Then we have, I'm excited, you guys. I don't think I'm going to get any repeats from what I already own. So that is exciting. That made it definitely worth it for me So we have the Alva 2 eyeshadow palette. Yay, this one's really pretty. This one's perfect for spring. Very bright. You have your pastels into deeper blues and greens, and then you have like some of your warm neutrals to anchor it all. This looks like a pressed glitter, which is interesting. Wow, it's actually really pretty. This one right here, and this one. Yeah, pressed glitter isn't like my favorite, but I don't hate it like some people do. I mean, I think if you use the right, like the NYX glitter glue, sometimes it can be really pretty. So that one is another good one. And then we have, yay, I wanted this one, so I'm super excited. This is the Norns palette. It's a very popular one as well from ODEN'S. So here's, oh no, my baby. This one's cracked a little. It hasn't, I'm gonna repress it before I mess it up or before it falls out. It's always like the prettiest shade. It never fails for me. It's always like this gorgeous purple, something like always the prettiest shade cracks, never fails. It couldn't be like some boring, like, I mean, this one's kind of boring. This matte up here, I mean, I'm sure it has its purpose, but I'd rather that one crack than the beautiful shimmer at the bottom. But let's just want to see. Actually, I'm gonna do it with my pinky and pray it doesn't fall apart. I'm scared. Okay. Ooh, those are beautiful. Hello. Hello. Okay, those are super pretty. So I just love this color story. I think it's like, it's a beautiful fall winter color story, and you have all different types of textures in here. So I'm really happy that I got that one. Next, we have some more lipsticks. Oh, Tulip's Kiss. I'm excited that I'm also not seeing repeats so far box to box. I would hope that they would be careful about that, but you never know if one is going to repeat in there. So, I'm having a hard time getting these things open. Okay, so this is, yes, Tulip's Kiss. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is the deepest of those three. I'm really excited they're all turning out this like brown, like, to me, browns, neutrally browns, you can't go too wrong. You can pair them with anything. So I'd rather them give me those than pinks are hard for me. I'm wearing like a real cool toned purpley pink on my lips today, but there's certain shades of pink and even like rose and even some peaches that I don't love. So I'm glad they're doing like mainly browns in here. So the next we have Fig Jam. My guess is this is going to be a purple leaning brown. Let's see. Haha, I knew it. So yes, it is a purple toned deep brown. That's beautiful. The other thing I really like is I got 4 lipsticks and they go from warm to cool. There's like a rose tone, a purple tone, you know, that more like orangey one. And so that way it goes with all the palettes, whether they lean warm or cold. So I think so far it's really smart how they put these together. Okay, we have the Alva Matte Lip Stain in Ripe Papaya. So we have a lip stain. I actually don't know if I own any lip stain. This packaging, hello, that is beautiful. It looks so high-end, and it is another beautiful, warm-toned, orangey brown. So pretty. Wow, that is really, really pretty, and I love that packaging. I'm impressed with these lip packaging. I mean, their artwork is always beautiful, but it's cardboard, you know, and their lip packaging is very like more high-end. Okay, so we have the last item is a highlighter. It is the Norns Mesmerizer. So let's see. Oh, okay. It's the same one, Brandy. Same one, I'm sorry. I did not get the blue highlighter, but here she is. It is kind of like a tortoise shell looking marbling. See if I can get the, okay, here is what it looks like. I do want to kind of just, ooh, that's cool. Like the small, like the pinky kind of like sparkly ones are a little bit rougher feeling, but then once you get to like the other, it goes very like smooth. Very subtle highlight, but it is pretty. It has a pink, it's like a pink gold champagne, which is actually my absolute favorite type of highlighter color. So you guys, I'm really impressed with this. I don't feel like I got any duds. Again, just that makeup brush cleaner. I'm like, some people may love that. It's not my favorite thing, but everything else I think is amazing. I mean, I got all of that for $100 with 5 palettes, 4 lipsticks, 1 lip stain, the makeup brush cleaner, and a highlighter. That is really good. Wow. The more I think about it, that's pretty amazing. So you guys let me know, did you get the mystery boxes? If you did you get anything different than me? And if you didn't, do you think you might get one the next go around? Because I do recommend it. I highly recommend it. So that's it, you guys. As always, have fun shopping, budget shopping. Bye.